the man here is very passionate and a little bit crazy. Eh? No, I'm not crazy. You? Okay. Just kidding. Now share with us how many birds have you seen? So last year I saw about 700 birds. Now the year is going to end, right? So I'm going to break my own record and see 1,000 birds or even more. Hashtag show off. Hashtag I know, right? So having said that, let's begin our adventure by meeting some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America. Let's go. Now we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride to the Tampa Pata River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Everyone, look around you! You are one of the most wonderful parts of the planet. Right here is the Peruvian Amazon. Welcome to the Chunchon Lagoon Lake, where hundreds of people gather every day to feast on lake. Now this lake is also one of the largest of its kind in the world. And everyone keep your eyes right up there! We have Adrian and Ferrari, our scarlet dogs. Now Adrian and Ferrari, would you guys want to fly on this side? Come on, fly this way to check out your play wherever y'all are ready, okay? So macaws, very nice. Now macaws, they have very sharp and pointy bills. So this allows them to eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those fruits which aren't good for the birds. So clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right? Indeed. And looks like Adrian and Ferrari is still right out there enjoying their salty feast. Let's give them a big hand, everyone! Yes, I want to see more birds. More birds? Yes, more birds. So let's not stop. Let's keep going and let's fly to Southeast Asia. Come on! And stop. Everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Did you know that this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species? Okay, important question for Mitra. Enough birds for you? Enough? Yeah, enough? Not enough. I want to see more birds. You see what I mean? Crazy. So, having said that, we are going to see some special friends of the park. Here comes Higgins, our great macaw. Hello there, Higgins. Now, great macaws, they are one of the larger parrot species. Higgins here, he is actually about 10 years old. So with me, I have Pippi, our silver-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoos can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Now, can you see the yellow feathers on her head? Well, that's called a crest. Sulfur is yellow, and therefore they are known as the sulfur-crested cockatoo. That's right. Now, one thing about these birds is that these parrots, they mate for life, and they make devoted parents. So they usually take advantage of tree cavities just like this to build their nests. And they also use nesting materials like leaves and twigs, dried leaves, and sometimes even tree barks. So if the cavity is too small, they will then use their beaks to enlarge them. So in a very short while, both Pippi and Higgins will be demonstrating this behavior, and let's watch them do this. Let's go! Come on. And if you're wondering what goes on inside, take a look at the screen. Oh, Higgins, that's you! And right there we have Katie. Look at you, Katie. Very cute, right? the rooster is right here. Oh, Yogi! That is an Amazon parrot. Well, clearly you don't believe me, right? Even he don't believe me. All you have to do is stand right there and let me prove this to you, okay? Okay. Would you like to show me how do you do the rooster? There you go, the rooster is here. Okay, I believe you, okay? Everyone meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now, Quincy here has so much more to say, such as wow, did you catch that? Quincy said, welcome to Parrots Paradise. So let's hear this one more time. Ready? Very good. Now, it's like Quincy imitated the sound of a rooster earlier. This time, let's hear him imitate the sound of a cat. Oh, very brilliant. Okay, how about the high-tech sound? The sound of a telephone. Oh, no. That's not how the telephone sounds like. Let's try this one more time. The sound of a ringing telephone. Let's give Quincy a big hand. Now, parrots, they usually copy or imitate sounds made by their families. So if they were to mimic any human sounds, they are basically doing what they hear around them. That's right. And in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Matai sound. And I would like to hear Amigo mimic some human sounds. So let's start with something very simple. You want to say hello? Hello. Sweet hello. Okay, now that we all know his name is Amigo, right? But let's get him to say it himself, okay? Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo! We'll do this one more time. Okay, what's your name? Amigo! Amigo it is. Now, Amigo, you see there's so many of them here today, right? How would you like to greet all these nice people? How I am. Because that is asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? Yes, that's very nice to hear. Okay, so Amigo is going to sing for us right now, okay? So the song is 2. Okay, I see you. 2, 3, you have 3, 4. You go to the center. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many people on this side? Got this. 12, 13, 14. Wow, so many of you. I hope I didn't miss out on anyone. So for the 14 of you, here's a special song from Amigo. Ready? Is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. Now, if you were to get yourself a pet parrot, you will usually end up with a bird just like Big John. Big John! Lifetime copycat. They may seem like they make good pets, but sadly they don't. That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the bird paradise instead? Correct? That's right. So Yogi, what's next? Oh, Mimicry, did you know that Wings of the World is sponsored by Kellogg? Really? I didn't know that. But I do love Pringles. Music lesson of this segment is brought to you by Pringles. Everyone, meet Elmo, our beautiful token toucan Kellogg's Pringles Amphitheater. So Elmo here very flexible, that they can fly through gaps in the forest. For this case, it will be our giant fruit loop. Okay, one more flight all the way back to Yonggi. Then, there you go! Good then, let's take Emma, who was wondering which one was presentation. And up next, you're about to meet an iconic species. Everyone, let us welcome Oris, our Oriental pied hornbill. Everyone, my friend, that is Oris, the Oriental pied hornbill. Now, Oris is a very heartwarming story. In the wild, we would not have survived. But right here in the bird paradise, he has been nurtured and has a safe and permanent home with us. But little man, Oris, I think it's time for you to fly all the way back to trainer Shario. He's enjoying himself from there, okay? Come on, Oris, one flight all the way down so everyone can have a closer look at you. Or you want to stay there and pose for the picture? Come on, Iris. It's a very cute hawk, right? Okay, while he's up there, let me just share with you some interesting differences between hornbills and toucans, okay? So hornbills, they can be found in Africa and in Asia. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America. Hornbills, they also have a distinctive feature over their heads called a cast. It can just be a small ridge or it can be big, big and brightly colored. Now, Australia is in a very good mood, okay? And that is why he is flying all over the stage. But I think, Oris, you're supposed to fly to your trainer right over there. Now, we will try to get Oris to come back to trainer Sharon, okay? And usually this kind of thing happens. Oh, good job. Okay, so usually this kind of things happen when these birds, they have powerful eyesight. Okay, they can see their prey or predator flying around, something that we cannot see here. Okay, so you might have seen something, right, Sharon? Yes, you saw something. I remember. That's right. Okay, so both species of toucans and hornbills, they are excellent hoppers. Everyone, check that out. You want to hop up? Very cute, right? Watch Sharon. Okay, eyes on the bird. Yes. There you go. Okay, so hornbills, our toucans, okay, they can also catch fruit. Okay, so let's try it out with Elmo. Ready? Catch. Nice catch. How about Oris? Ready for a catch? And both birds, okay, they can also catch their prey in mid-flight. So they're going to demonstrate just that. Let's start off with Elmo first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Okay, Oris is done. Now ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! From the smaller Oriental pied hornbill, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let us welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky, they can be found in Asia. Now, did you all know that in Borneo, some tribes, they believe that if a hornbill were to fly across their village, it means they are blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? So in a very short while, Vicky will be flying over to check out the nest cavity. Ready? And off she goes. So the female hornbills, they are usually very fussy about their accommodation. It has to be spacious and have a chimney so they can escape when they want to. So this time the male hornbill will then come forward and bring them mud. She will then mix it with her own droppings as well as mashed fruits to form a strong seal. And with that, in she goes. Now we have the male hornbill feeding her through that small gap. Did you know that this unique nesting behavior is shared with nearly all 62 species of hornbill in the world? And with that, let's give it up for Vicky and Sunny, your red-eyed hornbill. Threat. The critically endangered buffeted hornbills are being hunted for their extinction or their crops, known as red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. So right here in Mandai, we have conservation programs to protect these endangered species. And that is also why I love to see all these birds in the wild, as well as right here in wildlife parks, where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone! I'm Michael from Bird Paradise. And my team and I, we work hard to keep our birds active, engaged, and enriched. In just a short while, we will be introducing to you some of our beautiful birds. Looks like everyone's ready. Let's welcome our beautiful audience! Now that is an enrichment device called a macaws. It is ropes tied to knots, and in those knots we have hidden treats for the birds to forage. This will allow them to express their natural behaviors. Now corneas, they are from South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 birds are being sold in the pet trade, and there are now more birds in people's homes than there are in the wild. But these birds are social creatures and live happiest in flocks, so please do not keep them as pets. Looks like they've gone back home. Let's give them a big round of applause.
You know, we've been to South America. We've even come to Asia to see beautiful birds. I think it only makes sense if we fly to Africa! And here we are traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia, in the east coast of Africa. Now we've come here to see a very special bird that can be found in ponds, lagoons, and lakes in Africa and in southern Arabia. And I'm talking about the pig-backed pelican! They often fish with other birds by using their massive bill and throat punctures. Wow, look at that! Without stopping for 24 hours. That is because they are large and lightweight. Large and lightweight, these birds also have a huge wingspan, which can measure up to 9 feet long. And 9 feet is this long. And with that, we're going to fly all the way back home. Check out their beautiful wingspan. And everyone that is rows of big-backed pelican, let's give a round of applause. Ready? Go. Let's push this very heavy stuff all the way back. There you go. Now birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young, smart and agile. That is why they are one of the strongest creatures you will ever find right here on this planet. And that is also why I love to travel across continents to see them. But what I really love to see now is birds from all over the world, right here, right now. Well, you want to see birds right here, right now? Well, I think your wish is about to come true. My wish, yes. Ready? Get here. Show me that way.